Want to get to some individual movers. Ford is where we begin. Now, the company is both doing and not doing what has been reported on as of late. That is, it is separating its electric vehicle business, but not from the company, just sort of in the management structure of Ford, if I'm understanding all of this correctly, Brian Sozzi, right?
There's a lot going on here, Julie, and I run through the numbers in a written story on our homepage right now. But still, some takeaways here. First, Ford is just doing this internally. Ford CEO Jim Farley said on a media call this morning he is not spinning off this electric vehicle operation as had been rumored. But internally, they will have a business called Ford Blue that will be making gas-powered cars. And then also Ford Model E, that will be focused on making electric vehicle operations for the company. Now, interesting to hear within their guidance, they're looking to shave out $3 billion in structural costs from that legacy gas-making business, gas car-powered making business, which will theoretically be applied to making more electric vehicles. So there's a lot of moving parts here. The street likes it because Ford signaled the likelihood of higher profit margins in coming years. I asked Farley if today will go down. There was a media call. I asked him about if today marks the slow wind down of making gas-powered cars in this country. He didn't come and say, yes, today's that big of a day, but he did say likely volumes will decline over time as people go out there and buy more electric vehicles, but you're still likely to see good, strong volumes in Super Duty trucks and other large type vehicles that haul stuff around. And also, too, interesting, Julie, what he told me on the dealership network here, I think Farley wants to move to some form of model with dealers holding less inventory on their dealer lots. You order a car online and you go pick it up, not to the extent that Tesla has, where you walk into their store in a mall and see one car. There will still be cars on the lot, but maybe not as much as we have all grown up seeing for many, many years.
I mean, and at the same time, the leap in production of electric vehicles that the company is now targeting is pretty remarkable. 2024, their target was already, at 600,000 electric vehicles. Now, by 2026, they expect that number to go to 2 million electric vehicles. So,
with a $50 billion investment.
Yeah.
They also said, Julie, looking to invest $50 billion. Farley added that he does not see the need to raise capital. Interesting comments there.
Yes, all of it very interesting. And by the way, it got a shout out from the president in his speech last night around all of those initiatives.